welcome back to another video with Mommy's Designs and DIYs. Today I'm going to be doing the continuation of the video that I did of the 4-ounce soy wax candles, and right now I'm going to be showing you the breakdown in price that is going to tell us how much money we invest, how much to sell them for, and how much we make. So this is based on the recipe that I got for 4 little candles of 4 ounces. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to put a link above on the right hand side so that you can watch that. It's a very fun candle making with dry flowers. I also have the video on how to make your dry flowers and dehydrate fruit. So I'm going to leave another link for that video as well. But for now, let's go ahead and get the breakdown on the prices. Thank you for watching. The first item I have here, it's look at how beautiful they are on the right hand side. But anyways, the first item that I have is I purchased a 10-pound package of the soy wax flakes, and the box was $37, and it came with 150 of the candle wicks and 3 of the centering devices to center your candle when you're making them. So $37, and I use 1 pound of the soy wax flakes. So that's a total of $3.70 for the wax. Okay, another thing is I'm gonna put in the bottom in the description, I'm gonna put the links of all the items that I use. So if you want to click on that, it's going to take you straight to Amazon and you can purchase it from them. That's where I was able to find the best price. The next item we have here is I bought 4 of the candle holders. The little ones in the back, if you look at the picture, the ones in the back I got from Michael's, and they were 99 cents. They're small, 4 ounces, like I said. And the ones in front, they cost me $1. I got them at the Dollar Tree, and they came with candle. And I smelled the candle, and I really didn't like the fragrance. So I melted that candle and I put my own. So we bought 2 from Michael's and 2 from the dollar store. That's $4 even. The next item you see here is the cord that I use to decorate the candles. I got it at the Dollar Tree, and I use about 40 cents worth of that. So it was 10 cents each, 40 cents for all 4 of them. Of course, if you have some ribbon or you have something more fancy that you want to use on them, you can go ahead and use that. But I felt like I wanted to give my candles like a country, look to them, so I use this kind of cord. This next item is the bottle of the scented oil. It cost me around I think it was $8.50, but I added $1.50 to it because of the shipping. And I'm gonna put it in the description box. I'm gonna put the website where I got it. So I made 2 candles of one fragrance and 2 candles on another fragrance, but in total I use about 1/3 of a bottle of the scented oil. So $10 divided by 3, it was $3.33. Our next item and the last one is the labels. And the reason why I put $1 per page, even though we're only going to use 4 labels, is because I more or less added the ink. So, I think $1 is just fair, in the gas and any other extras. So I figure $1 was good enough. All the items combined, it brings us to a total investment out of your pocket to $12.43. I sell my candles for $7.99. So $7.99 times 4 is $31.96. Minus your investment, your total profit is $19.53. Now, this price is based as if you work from home. If you happen to have a store or you're renting a space where you work, then you will multiply the total investments you will multiply the total investment by 4 to get the right price. There has been times when someone buys me over $100, I give them a candle for free to try, and they usually come back and order me more. So, you know, that's a good good thing to do. I market them to be sold like for weddings, like I said before, for weddings, quinceañeras, and any birthdays, like a thank you gift. They're very good for thank you gifts. So thank you so much, you guys. That's all for me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, give me thumbs up, and share it with your friends. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me on Instagram and Pinterest. I'm very new at this, but I'm enjoying what I'm doing. I love to share what I know with other people, and what better way than with YouTube. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day.